Tired of spending your weekends pushing a lawn mower around instead of enjoying your yard? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Redkey MGC 1000 Robot Lawn Mower. The Redkey MGC 1000 caught my attention right away with its sleek design and innovative features, priced at $356.22. If you want an effortless way to maintain your lawn while you kick back and relax, this is worth a serious look. With its precise positioning and intelligent mapping, you can trust it to navigate your yard without missing a spot. It can even tackle dense grass by adjusting its cutting height automatically. Plus, with 70 minutes of runtime per charge and the ability to return to its charging station when the battery is low, this little mower keeps going without constant supervision. Now, some people complained about the need for boundary wires, which can seem a bit outdated for some. Here's the thing though, once you set it up, you can forget about it and this mower will do the rest. It's perfect for busy people who don't want to babysit their yard work. This is perfect for you if you want a set-it-and-forget-it lawn care solution. Skip this one if you have more than a quarter-acre yard or prefer traditional mowers. At this price, you're getting significant value for a robotic mower. Now, if the need for boundary wires in the Redkey bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ECOVACS GOAT ORTK Robot Lawn Mower. Next up is the ECOVACS GOAT O1000, priced at $901.70. This high-tech robot caught my eye with its no-wires feature, which makes it incredibly convenient for those who want a hassle-free lawn care experience. The GOAT O1000 is designed for up to a quarter-acre lawn and uses advanced AI technology to map your yard without needing physical boundary wires. It's equipped with 3D obstacle avoidance, allowing it to navigate around pets and garden decor effortlessly. The zero-edge cutting feature ensures that even the tightest corners get a perfect trim without needing any manual touch-ups. Plus, with its ability to conquer slopes of up to 45% and smart app control, you have full customization over your mowing schedule and preferences. Now, some people find the price a bit steep compared to other robotic mowers. But here's the thing, if you're looking for the latest technology that truly automates your mowing process, the investment can pay off in time saved and convenience. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and want a robotic mower that requires minimal setup. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a larger yard that exceeds its limits. Its features justify the price, making it a solid choice for cutting-edge lawn care. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. Product number 3, Black Plus DECKER 3-in-1 Mower MTC 220. Now let's talk about the Black Plus DECKER combination mower, trimmer, and edger, priced at just $216.71. If you're short on space and want a versatile tool to manage your yard, this one's definitely worth a look. This 3-in-1 mower is perfect for small properties, allowing you to switch between mowing, trimming, and edging with ease. It features an automatic feed system, so you won't have to deal with bumping and stopping to feed the line. The power drive transmission prevents bogging down, which is a common frustration with lesser models. That 12-inch cutting width is ideal for tight spaces and ensures you can get into corners and edges without hassle. Plus, with 2 batteries included, you have extended run time without worrying about recharging constantly. However, some users have mentioned that the cutting width is a bit narrow for larger lawns. But honestly, for smaller yards or those who want to maintain a manicured look without over-investing, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller yard and want an all-in-one solution. Skip this if you have a larger lawn that requires more cutting power. At this price, you're getting a great value for a versatile tool. Moving on, if you want a traditional mower with a bit more muscle, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Greenworks 24V Cordless Lawn Mower. Next up is the Greenworks 24V13 Cordless Lawn Mower, priced at $309.58. This caught my attention because of its lightweight design and ease of use, making mowing less of a chore. The The Greenworks mower is powered by a 4Ah battery that gives you about 30 minutes of runtime, which is decent for smaller lawns. You have a 5-position height adjustment for versatile cutting, whether you need a close trim or a longer cut for different grass types. Maintenance-free operation means you won't have to deal with gas or oil, which is a huge time saver. Plus, it operates quietly so you can mow without disturbing the neighbors. However, some users might find the 30-minute runtime limiting, especially if you have a larger yard. Here's the thing though, if you have a small property or can do your mowing in sections, it's a great option that won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, lightweight mower for a smaller lawn. Skip this one if you have a bigger yard that requires longer mowing times. For the price, it offers solid performance without the hassle of gas. Now, if you want something with a bit more muscle for bigger jobs, let's talk about the next one. Product number 5, SCNIX LSPG M7 Gas Push Lawn Mower. Finally, let's check out the SCNIX LSPG M7 Gas Push Lawn Mower, which is priced competitively in the gas mower market. If you're a fan of traditional mowers and want something powerful and reliable, this might be the one for you. With a 21-inch cutting width and a Briggs & Stratton 140cc engine, this mower is designed to handle small to medium yards with ease. The 3-in-1 functionality allows for mulching, bagging, and side discharge, providing versatility depending on your needs. The 6-position height adjustment lets you customize your cut, while the durable steel deck ensures it will stand the test of time. Plus, it's engineered for low vibration, making your mowing experience more comfortable. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy to push, especially in rough terrain. But I'll be real with you, if you're used to push mowers, the power and reliability make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a traditional gas mower with plenty of cutting power. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight cordless model or have trouble pushing heavier equipment. Overall, it offers great value for a gas mower with excellent features. Now, let's wrap everything up and find out which one of these mowers stands out above the rest. So we've covered a variety of options, from robotic mowers to traditional gas ones. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the ECOVACS GOAT 1000 because of its advanced mapping and hassle-free operation, if you can stretch your budget. On the flip side, I'd suggest avoiding the Redkey MGC 1000 if you're looking for something without boundary wires, as it might not fit everyone's needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.